Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this late 2016 Peugeot 308 Allure. This one was registered on the 12th of December 2016, so it's on a 66 plate. It's finished in the twilight blue metallic, which is kind of like a very dark purple colour. This car's had two owners from new, and it's the BlueHDi turbocharged diesel model with the 6-speed manual transmission. In the Allure, it's a really good specification. LED daytime running lights, you've got the parking sensors as well, power folding door mirrors. I'll take you inside the vehicle now. As you can see there, it's covered not many miles, 57,428 miles, isn't too bad at all. It will go through the Honda workshop for a full service and multi-point inspection as well before you do take it. You've got the central infotainment screen here, controls, and then the nice 6-speed manual transmission. It does also have an electronic handbrake, which is a great feature. I'll show you the service history now on the car. It's been very well looked after. So here you can see its first service was done on the 6th of November 2017 at 17,733 miles. It was then serviced on the 14th of November 2018 at 26,339 miles. The 21st of November 2019 at 33,454 miles. On the 1st of December 2020 at 38,155 miles. On the 25th of November 2021 at 43,190 miles. On the 15th of November 2022 at 48,731 miles. And on the 5th of December 2023 at 53,245 miles. So it will be serviced, of course, before you do take it. So that's great history on the vehicle. It's been very well looked after. You've got all your owner's manual and everything in there as well, which is great. I'll show you the boot now. Being the diesel, it is very good on fuel, and it's a 6-speed manual. Underneath here, you do have your space-saver spare wheel, which is great. Most newer vehicles don't have this, so that's a great peace of mind. Should you need that at the roadside, you've got it. Especially if you do a lot of longer driving or remote driving, it's nice to know you've got the spare. This car will, of course, come with 6 months warranty as well for great peace of mind. And it'll be fully checked over and serviced, like I say. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership, just behind. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of your vehicle, we'll have a look into it for you and get you the best price you possibly can against this 308. If you have any questions at all about this Peugeot, please don't hesitate to contact us. Give us a call on 01539 760 371 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you very soon.